Ahoy! I'm Captain Rob Lee, and welcome to Pirate Lifestyle TV. Arr! Today's quickie topic is about small electric generators and you making your own electricity. A small electric generator makes a great part-time source of electricity. Backup generators can be portable or stationary, and large or small. They run on a variety of fuels. We have a Honda EU2000i generator, and we can highly recommend these generators. They use inverter technology, they produce cleaner voltage electricity, and the engines idle down during light load conditions. They are very quiet, easy to care for, easy to move around, and sip fuel. I fabricated this adapter so we can connect the generator to our 30 amp marine connector. Let's fire this thing up. Okay, now our sailboat is running 100% on generator power. The lights, refrigerator, battery charger, air conditioner, water heater, everything. Yes, we must be careful with our load management, but it does work. The biggest advantage of portable generators like this one is, well, they're portable. In my opinion, purchasing one of the cheap gasoline generators is a waste of time and money. Sure, they are low-priced units, but they have many negative features, like high fuel use and low quality. This generator speeds up and slows down as necessary. When we were using this generator as our only source of electricity, we burned approximately 5 gallons of gasoline each week. We would run the generator for a couple of hours in the morning and a couple of hours in the evening, running on battery power the rest of the time. With a little planning, thinking about how much electricity you might need, what you actually need to operate, I know you can find a generator that fits your needs. I hope you enjoyed this Pirate Lifestyle TV Quickie. Keep the great ideas coming, and please share these videos with your friends. With ye help, me go be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle. Arr.